Did you know the average user has 70 to 80 passwords connected to their business and personal accounts? At that scale, managing dozens of passwords is a security risk not only to businesses and employees, but clients as well. If your company still needs a standardized password management system, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3 for the most part. When considering which password manager to use, you'll want to keep a few things in mind. Will it easily allow you to manage user access and password sharing? Does it have features that help you meet regulations for your industry, like the ability to monitor password health or to generate compliance reports? And is it easy to use? Does the user interface look friendly enough? Some popular options include LastPass, 1Password, Dashlane, Keeper, Bitwarden, KeePass. There are others out there like Google Password Manager, which is part of Google Chrome, but there is a higher security risk of your employee or company information from being compromised. If someone gets access to your Google account, for example, then they'll have access to all of your passwords too. Now, the first step, and most important, is to choose a password manager. Here at Edge, we recommend 1Password to our clients. Its interface is easy to use. The features and reputation as one of the most secure vaults makes them a great tool. Step number 2 is to set up the password manager. How long this takes depends on a couple things. How many people you have in your organization, how many accounts and passwords that person actually has, and whether or not those passwords are currently stored on a green sticky note tucked away in a copy of Mark Manson's book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving about Passwords. Now, the first step of step 2 is to create the master account. This is the mothership for your cybersecurity team. All user accounts can be accessed and managed from this master account. The second step is setting up password requirements, like length and complexity, which 1Password does allow you to do, two-factor authentication, and any other settings that make sense for your organization. And the third step, you guessed it, is to import your existing passwords. Now, most password managers, including 1Password, will allow you to import passwords from other browsers or from a CSV file. In the case of handwritten passwords, like on the sticky note, those are going to take some time to manually enter in. And finally, we make it to step 3, which is to train your team on how to use the tool. Now that the password manager is set up and everyone's information has been imported into it, it's time to teach your company how to use this shiny new tool. Now, not everyone learns in the same exact way, so making information accessible to everyone is important. At Edge, we recommend outlining a text-based SOP or standard operating procedure that includes screenshots of how to use the tool, as well as a recording or video of how to do the same exact thing. Now, if this all sounds like a lot of work, don't fret. You don't have to tackle this alone. At Edge, we're all about helping you reach your security goals while providing clarity for you every step of the way. Check us out at the link below, and we'll see you in the next one.